Hi all, let's try a voiceover today. This is another mixed media project I wanted to try, using a stencil to create a pattern with effect paste. This is Finnabare's Unicorn effect paste. It's very sparkly, so I thought I'd try that. And to get a nice flat effect, I needed to take the resin I'd already cured in the mould out, so there was always that risk that putting it back in I would create bubbles, but this is where we experiment, so sod it, I'm going to try that. I started using this crappy little palette knife that was the only one in my craft room at the time, and then I realised it was absolutely naff, so I quickly ran upstairs to grab this one, which is so much better for getting paste through a stencil. By the way guys, I will put everything I've used in the description with links if possible, so do check those out. I would really appreciate any likes, comments, and if you feel up to it, a subscription. That would really help my channel out and I'd love that. Thank you so much. And my favourite part, the reveal, or not so much a reveal, but the peeling of the stencil away to reveal the nice crisp lines. Look at it shine. Sparkly. I sped up the drying time by leaving it in the sun alongside another little project I was working on. Here I'd put it back in the mould. I needed to push out all the bubbles. I'd done half a job here, so I was just pushing the rest out. I wasn't too concerned about the bottom ones, but I needed to make sure that there was little to no bubbles on the side. And then it's resin time. I'm using Let's Resin epoxy resin. I was really impressed with this. I really like this resin, so I've been using this a lot lately. So I go around the mold and try and push out any bubbles I missed. Although during the curing process there were a lot of bubbles rising from the side, so I knew that I had missed some areas, including that little bugger right there, right on the surface. That one got right by me. You know, I don't know if I like the back better than the front. I just love that green and the texture made by that. I love that. There is the consequence of taking a resin cast out of its mold and then putting it back in. It creates air bubbles and I didn't get them out. Although, to be fair, they're not as bad as I thought. I got some air bubbles trapped in there, although it's kind of nice, interesting to see them from the side. But the main feature, that effect paste, it looks awesome. I have to say, in real life, the shininess, the sparkliness, the camera does nothing for it. It looks awesome. It would probably pop even more if it was on a matte background instead of a sparkly mica powder background. But regardless, I was happy with the outcome. It was fun. I like it. Thank you so much for watching and putting up with my terrible voice. Please hit that like, consider commenting and subscribing if you like my videos and if you want to see more. Thank you all so much.